Alright guys, what's up? We're back again in the garage with the GR86. However, this time, it's not the star of the show. Today we're going to be taking a look at my 2023 Civic Type R. So basically, it needs a bath. So while I'd love to give an update on this, we have a little secret up there that's in the next video. I really want to get a little bit more done on this before our next video. So today, we're going to be tackling this car and getting it cleaned up. And there we go. The Type R is clean. Now, I know it's not exactly the video that everybody was expecting. Everyone was hoping to see an update on this GR86. But just the past week, I haven't gotten enough progress done. I'm hoping to have a really cool video for y'all next week on Friday. We're dropping videos every Friday. And in that video, I hope that we can finally give this thing a start and see if all this work is going to pay off, or if we got a blown motor. Anyways, if y'all like the content, I know it's a little different cleaning the Type R. It's not super interesting maybe. To some it could be, I don't know. But if you like the content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for next week where we're gonna probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, get this GR86 started and actually start making some good progress on it towards getting it back on the road. Anyways, see y'all later.